Hello, hello, hello. Hello, seven figure care providers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I really want to, first of all, go into the story of why I am here. Now, I've been in healthcare business for 30 years. I started doing healthcare businesses over 30 years ago. So for 20 years, I was doing my own healthcare business types. I did home care, I did supported living, I did foster care agency, for example. I did children's care home, I did elderly care home, I did supported living facilities. You name it, I did it in the healthcare industry. And what I realized was is that I was doing 12, 16-hour days, and I was becoming burnt out because I wasn't doing self-care. I wasn't doing self-love. I was pouring into everyone and not actually taking time for me to actually recharge and rejuvenate. So I was just constantly working solid from 5 o'clock in the morning till 7 p.m. in the evening doing work, but then still continuing to do work when I got back home. So I wanted to create this channel for care providers that are seven figures, multiple seven figure business owners. Like I was in my care business, I was a multiple seven figure business owner, but I was just working hard all the time. Yes, I was strong. Yes, I am a strong woman, but at the end of the day, you can only be so strong for so long because a time will come where you just say, that is it, I have had enough. And I want to prevent that happening to you. I want you to be able to do self care, self love, where you are rejuvenating yourself, where you are looking after your mindset, where you are meditating, where you are exercising, fitness. It's the whole picture that I want to try and create. And some of the videos will be posted weekly or monthly, and it will be to do with health. It will be to do with wellness. It will be to do with self-care. It will be to do with, for example, retreats, holidays, travel. I will show you that aspect as well because we must do that. But one caveat though, you cannot go away on holiday and still be doing your business, which is what I did. I didn't have a holiday for 25 years. Sorry, for 20 years in my healthcare business when I was running my healthcare business. And then when I started to have a holiday, I still was doing work. I had the laptop or I'd be on the phone instead of actually enjoying the moment of being present. And I want to take that away from you by you implementing simple strategies and learning which I have to offer. And that is through the tutorials that I do. And I want to ensure that you, the seven figure care provider, is able to have that time to reflect, but also to grow, but to scale in a way that is manageable and where you actually take on teams to actually do your jobs. You can be global. You can be global. You can run a business anywhere in the world, around the world, or in any location, providing you've got the right compliance in place. So this is why I've set up the channel, is for women, usually over 50, that has ran a successful seven figure business in healthcare, for example. Okay. And the reason why I say that is because I don't want you to struggle the way I did. It took me 1.5 years to get to multiple seven figures in my care business, but I didn't have any systems in place, backups, i.e. self-care practice, meditations, for example, healthy walks, going for long walks, exercise, just looking and seeing the world. That gives you a whole new fresh perspective and rejuvenates you when you're going into your busy workplace environment. Now you may be having board meetings where you're having meetings daily or you're having meetings 3 times a week, but it's important that you are looking after yourself, because at the end of the day, you're at the top of the ladder And if the top of the ladder crumbles, then everybody will crumble in that business, for example. So I think it's important to look after those at the top. And this is the reason why I've started this channel for women, because women are leading in healthcare businesses and we're doing extremely well. And we don't seem to hit a ceiling. We are breaking that ceiling. But we want to ensure that we are looking after each other. And this is why I'm going to be doing daily videos for business growth. And also I'll be doing a weekly video for health, wellness, vitality, longevity, travel. So the topics will change over the month, for example, for the weekly videos. But I will be posting daily about business growth in healthcare, whether it's contracts, whether it's time management, whether it is operations, whether it is what's trending, whether it is about what type of healthcare business you're going to do. This is something that I'll be scheduling and posting here. So please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I want you to be at your best to run your healthcare business to the limits of where you want it to be. I want you to go beyond your vision, and to live beyond the horizon. So do join me for the training here. Subscribe so that you can watch these tutorials, and I know that you're going to love it. I can't wait to see you. See you on the inside. Thank you. Goodbye.